Good morning, second grade. Welcome to our math video. You will hear a little bit of noise because the heater is on and I'm over here by my other desk today. So go ahead and get started and take out your math meeting sheet, your November calendar, and your November weather graph. Okay. There we go. Let's get started. Okay. Today's date is November. Make sure your blocks are stacked. November 16, 2020. There are how many more days until December? Let's count. Oh my goodness, Miss Santana said it was November 16th. I apologize, it's November 17th. Okay. We're here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 14 more days until December. Go ahead and write that down. And our pattern for today is this. Go ahead and fill that out. Put pause if you need more time. Okay. 5. I think it's going up by 5. So let's try it out first. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45. Good. So let's write that down. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, and 45. Today's money is 93 cents. So go ahead and tell me how many pennies and how many dimes I need to make this amount. Okay, put pause if you need more time. I'm going to divide this and I'm going to put tens and ones. There are how many ones? There's 3. And a penny is worth 1. So we need 3 pennies. And how many tens? 9. And how much is a dime? 10 cents. So we need 9 dimes. Our clock right now is about 7:20 on Tay Meridian. And we will eat lunch today at noon. Post Meridian. Put pause if you need more time. The numbers for today are 6 plus 4, 6 plus 8, 6 plus 9. 6 plus 4 equals 10. 6 plus 8 is 14. And 6 plus 9 equals 15. Go ahead and put pause if you need more time. Okay, we're going to do our clock. Go ahead and write out the numbers. 12, 6, 3, 9, and let's write it all out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. Let's write the minutes on the outside. 0, 0, 0, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, and 55, 60. I said it was about 7:20. So that means my little hand is pointing to the hour, and that is the 7. And my big hand is pointing all the way over here to the minutes. Press pause if you need more time. Okay, go ahead and put that away. You need now your November weather graph. Today is going to be a warm day. So we're going to color that purple. I'm going to write down the date first. So today is November 17th. And I'm just going to go with this little pattern. Okay. Put your math weather graph, your math calendar, and your math grading sheet away. And you are going to need your math worksheet right now. I'm trying to find it to show you. Oh, Miss Hannah does not have those math worksheets. I will find it. You need this page though. Right here. Okay? Go ahead and get that page out. Okay, boys and girls, you should have that worksheet and a ruler with you. So if you don't have that right now, go ahead and get that ruler and that worksheet. I'm going to share my screen so you know exactly what worksheet I'm talking about. Okay, put pause if you don't have it. And we'll begin as soon as you're done getting that ruler and having that piece of paper in front of you. So don't forget to put your name at the top. Okay, name at the top. After you're done, you can continue. Put pause if you need more time. So we're going to start with AB first, and we're going to grab a ruler. And if you see on the ruler, there is a centimeter side, and then there is an inch side. The inch side has less numbers. It only goes up to 12. 12 inches in a ruler. But the centimeter side goes all the way to 30. We are going to use the inches side, and we're going to start at 0. 0 is over here. 1, and 0 is right here. We're going to start at 0. We're going to put our ruler just right where that dot is at A. And we're going to measure it. So it starts at 0. Remember to start at 0 at the dot. And then right where it ends, it's going to have a number. So what number is that? 7. 7 inches. So we're going to write on this side 7 inches. Okay, now let's do C and D. Again, the 0 goes all the way at the top by the C because C comes before D, right? A, B, C, D. So C is our first point. We started at 0. Do you see that? And then we get it closer. And what number is down here? Right, that is 5. So it's 5 inches long. Okay, and now we're going to E and F. E is first and then F. So we put our 0 right here at the E, and then we bring it closer. And what number is right above or below F? 3. You're right. So let's write 3. Now let's do G and H. We're going to start over here with the G. We'll put it right there where that 0 is. And then we'll bring it closer, and it's about 6 inches. Do you see that? Good. Okay. Now, I and J. Again, we'll place it here and right there. How many inches is that? You're right. That's 4. And then our last one. K and L. That's a small 2 inches. Now that we're done, that didn't take too long, did it? No, it didn't. But now that you're done, let's read the instructions down here. When you're finished measuring, are we finished measuring? Yes. Trace the oblique line with a yellow crayon. I don't have my crayons with me, so I'm going to do yellow markers. Trace the vertical line segments using a blue crayon. And trace the horizontal line segments using a red crayon. I'll just use this. Okay. So I will do a couple with you, but I want you to finish it. Trace an oblique line segment using a yellow crayon. Oblique, remember oblique doesn't either go, this is horizontal, this is vertical, and sideways is oblique. So let's color all of the oblique ones that we see yellow. The first one that I see is G and H. So I'm gonna color that yellow, just like that. And the next oblique one that I see that's sideways, which one do you see? Yeah, I think it's C and D. Good job. Okay, I might do all of them with you just so that we get a couple of practice. Okay, now it says trace the blue, the vertical line segments with blue. Vertical means up and down, up and down. You can kind of make a V if you go like this. Vertical. Do you see? Vertical. Okay. So I see A and B and L and K. And then it says trace the horizontal line segments using a red crayon. The horizontal, the horizon, it's where the sun sets. Horizontal, if you can draw the sun like this, it means it's horizontal, like a sunset. So I think we just found those. Let's color them red. Okay, perfect. And that is it for today's lesson. Now that we're done with this, make sure you put it in your inside of here. Every time you're done with something, we put it in here. Are we going to put our math meeting sheet in here? No. Are we going to put our November calendar in there? No, we're not done with it yet. Right when you're done with it, then you put it inside, okay? The other thing that I wanted to tell you is that you have a fraction worksheet that you must also finish. If you look here, we have a fraction worksheet. It should be at the front of your binder. So don't forget to do your fraction worksheet. Okay, boys and girls, here. This is your fraction worksheet. You don't have to do all of it. You only need to do these. So let's practice one. How many pieces are here all together? 1, 2, 3, 4. So we're going to put 4 at the bottom. And at the top, it's asking us how many pieces are shaded. 1, 2. Good. Let's do one more. And then you can do these other two by yourself. How many pieces are here all together? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And how many pieces are shaded? 1, 2, 3. Good. Now I want you to do the same for these. Okay? And that is it. And you will be done. Okay, boys and girls, God bless you. Totus tuus. Maria.